Hi guys, welcome to the Alpha Crypto channel. I talk about cryptocurrencies, crypto airdrop, crypto news and everything in the crypto space. I make videos every day and I open your eyes to opportunities where you can make money, the project you should avoid. If you're watching this channel for the first time, you'll be doing yourself a lot of favor if you hit the subscribe button, you turn my bell post notification. Yes, let me skip the introduction part. Let's talk about a token that I believe has massive potentials. It is rare for me to come and talk about a project with this kind of energy. I don't know if you guys have heard of this token. The name of the token is called Inuyasha token. This project has massive potential. The token has utility. It falls into the category of meme token, but this token has a lot. It is different from every other token. They've done a lot of interesting stuff from the beginning of the project that makes me feel investing in this project is going to be a very wise decision. I think it is still in the early stage, right? And I'll be exposing or I'll be revealing so much about this project to you. Anything I say here is not a financial advice. Please, this is for educational purpose. Please make sure you do your own research and make sure you know why you're investing in any project, right? Because I will not be held for any gain or any loss whatsoever after investing in the project. If you want to learn more about the Inuyasha token, you can visit our official website, knowledgegapexpert.com. We've made a detailed review on this same token, but you can go on to check and read through the review. Notwithstanding, I'll be talking about Inuyasha and I'll be giving you guys all the updates. Now, this token is up 21.31% today, and it is currently on the watch list of over 7,751 people. A token that is not that's relatively new. Having that kind of number of people putting it on the watch list is a very good sign. Ranking 3,532 on CoinMarketCap. Inuyasha is the token I'll be talking about today. Now, the market cap on CoinMarketCap is not verified, so we'll not be working with this market cap. However, in the last 24 hours, this token is up 21%, which is a very, very good sign for today. Built on the Ethereum blockchain, the official website to Inuyasha token is inuyasha.io. Before we move to the official website, I'll be reading the overview of this project and telling you guys what this project is about. From the information I know that this project, they have a decentralized autonomous organization where they vote for new projects that have potentials to their incubator, and they support those projects, they sponsor, they donate and help any person that has idea or have a meme token or a game token he or she wants to launch that doesn't have the financial backing. They help to support that dream if they believe that the project is legitimate, right? That is one thing I know about the Inuyasha token. But notwithstanding, we'll be going through the official website, we'll be scanning through the token, looking at everything we can get to see whether it is safe to invest or it is something that one should be careful about, right? If we scroll down, you're going to see that, let me use the last 7 days. On the last 7 days, this token, at the point some days back, on the 19th of on the 19th of December, this token went very high, went to as high as 0.5483 penny, and the trading volume was over $2 million. But today it is slightly down, 4104, and the trading volume is $512,000, right? But notwithstanding, this is not what we are focusing on. We are focusing on the potentials of this project. Now, Inuyasha is on L-Bank, is on Uniswap, and if you leave there, we are going to see that from the overview, Inuyasha was created by a dynamic team of professionals with specialties in startups, marketing and finance. Now, look at what they said. They said, we wanted to place an emphasis on the safety and transparency. So Inuyasha started with a fully audited token contract prior to the deployment. So before they launched, they first audited the contract, and this is one thing that is rare for people to do in the crypto space. Like, for you to audit a contract before the launching shows that indeed you are transparent. And they said the Inuyasha ecosystem will exist as a decentralized vetting and donation program for promising new tokens. Very straightforward. If you have a project soon to launch protocol, blockchain game, meme token, or any project, Inuyasha platform will be a vetting and a donation program. They are going to check through your token, they'll check the transparency, they look at your project, if it is worth investing in, then they donate and support your project. Isn't that beautiful? So without wasting much of your time, I'll be going to their official website. From the official website, we'll be using different tools to scan through the token. Since the token is built on the Ethereum blockchain, we'll be using DEX tools to check it. Then we'll use Token Sniffer to look for every other information on this token. Without further ado, let's keep moving. Now, the official website of Inuyasha, look at it. It said community driven Inku launch. Now from here you see the how to buy, the roadmap of the project, the token economies, the Yasha pad, right? The Yasha incubator, the Yasha DAO, decentralized autonomous organization, where the community members vote before they implement any project, right? Now the Yasha pad is a safe place where the community pick and vote for projects that are safe for investment. Now one thing about the crypto space, especially with meme tokens, is that a lot of them are scam. You don't know the ones that are safe, you don't know the ones that are good to invest in. But with the Yasha pad, the community are going to pick projects, and after picking it, they are going to vote to know the ones that are safe to invest. So if you are part of the community, it will be easy for you to invest in projects that are going to fetch you money instead of you to invest in scam projects. The Yasha pad is going to save you from that one. Number two, they said the Yasha pad is also the next generation of Launchpad. Every project goes through a vetting system which helps us to verify the authenticity of the project. So through the vetting system, they are going to scan through the project, do their investigation, do research, vote, then they come to a conclusion if the project is worth investing in or not. The next thing in the space is the Yasha incubator. Now they said if you have a unique project and you don't know where to start, you don't have the finance, the Yasha incubator is a program to help promising team launch their blockchain game, protocol, meme tokens, on any other token. Every project goes through a vetting system where aspect of the project is verified by the team and the community. So from there they can support you if you have a project and you don't know how to go about it. Your job is to keep the dream alive. Your job is to dream, while Inuyasha team is to bring the dream to life. I really love that. Look at the picture. They are watering a plant, and the plant is growing and fetching money. So if you have the idea, the Inuyasha incubator is where you can get people that will donate and support your idea, right? Now the next one is the Yasha DAO, Yasha decentralized autonomous organization, where the platform gives people opportunity to vote, right? The Yasha launchpad and the project incubation, the project launches on the Yasha pad are made safe through community voting on the Yasha DAO. So basically the project itself, the Yasha token, already have a very clarity of direction of what they want to do, how they want to do it, and this makes this project have utility. Now if you look at the roadmap, the initial phase, they have the contract deployment and audit, which they've done their website launch, the initial marketing, the public launch. They've deployed the Yasha pad, the Yasha DAO, the Yasha Connect, and they have over 2,500 orders. I think right now they've gotten over 6,000 orders. When I was doing my research, they've been listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. They've done public project submission forum. They have their announcement of the first project incubation, announcement of the Inuyasha staking. They've launched their first incubated project, and that is where they are at the moment. So the roadmap, they still have a lot to achieve. They have the expansion phase, they have the future fiesta, they have plans. If you look at the expansion phase, they want to create a second project incubation, the Yasha NFT giveaway, the mass marketing, partnership, community reward, centralized exchange, incubated projects, and on 10,000 orders, right? Then the future fiesta, they have plans to deploy the Yasha Swap, the partnership with an anime studio, the Yasha Merch, the Yasha NFT marketplace, then the Yasha payment app, they deploy the Yasha audit service, the marketing for the Yasha ecosystem, and 30,000 orders. I feel this project has a lot of potentials, and there's clarity of direction, there's clarity of the mission, and the people behind the scene, the developers of this project actually know what they are doing. And I would actually recommend a project like this. This is not marketing, this is not advertisement. It's because I like the project. That's why I'm talking passionately about Inuyasha. Now let's look at the token economies. They have over 100, I think a total supply of 100 billion token, and there's a 10% tax. 2% will go to reflection, that's to people that are holding the token as reward. Then we have like 3% that will go to liquidity pool to give it more liquidity, and 5% will go to marketing. So this will make the team have enough money to do more marketing, because the more marketing they do, the more money they can make, the more money they make, the more the community keeps growing, which is very good as far as I'm concerned. Then you say how to buy the token. You can buy on SushiSwap to your MetaMask wallet or to your Trust wallet. The contract address is on their official website, guys. So I think I've covered everything about the Inuyasha token. We'll just head over to DEX2 to see the rating of this token, to look at the chart and some other informations. Now let's go to dex2.io. From DEX2 you can see that the chart we are looking at here, let's do some. This is like a bullish movement in my opinion. If you look at the last let's look at the daily chart. Look at it now. Let me use the trend line. Give me a second, guys. Okay, now look at this. Look at, if I want to draw a trend line for this project, look at it. See, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6. The last 6 days this candle has been on the bullish side. In the last 6 days, when so many tokens have been struggling, in the last 6 days it has been on the bullish side. 4 days ago this token pumped massively, moved as high as 0.0056507. Like, this token is looking very early at this time of recording this video. The total liquidity is $1.7 million in the liquidity. The trading volume today is $418,000. The market capitalization for this project is $35 million, which is very, very okay. And the people holding this token right now is 6,061 people, which is even, they've smashed the goal for the second roadmap, where they talked about getting 5,000 orders. They've gotten over 6,000 plus people that know about this project have invested in it, and the total transaction is over 11,786. Look at the DEX2 score, 99%, and the community has voted this token 96.8%, which means this token is very safe to invest. It's very, very safe to invest. It is rare for you to see a token that has a very good DEX2 score and also good community rating. It's more like 125 people that voted this token as a very good token. The only thing is that this token is built on the Ethereum blockchain, which means it will have expensive gas fee. By the end of the day, it is a safe token to invest in. You can end up making a lot of money. If we move further, if we move to Token Sniffer, which is where I will most likely conclude this video. From Token Sniffer, if you search through the Inuyasha token, you will see that the buy fee is 12%, the sell fee is 12%, but on the official website it's supposed to be 10%. Anyway, it's the verified contract source. The ownership is not renounced. However, if you look at this, the owner wallet contains zero supply, the creator wallet contains zero supply. Nobody is holding up to 5% of this token. The total token bond is 10.5%. If you look at the liquidity, they have over 215 Ethereum, right? 215 Ethereum. That is like over $1 million in liquidity, and they said 95% of the liquidity is burnt or locked. Now 95% is locked to January 22nd. That's 30 days from now, January 22nd. You guys need to take note of this. The liquidity will be unlocked in January 22nd, which is something you guys need to take cognizance of. Why the one that is locked is till like 29th of July 2022. From everything I've seen here so far, this project looks like a project that have massive potentials. It's a project that can do probably 100x. I won't even be surprised if this project does 1000x, guys. And I feel it is something that you can do more research on, and if you think it's safe to invest, you can go ahead and invest. But personally, I like this project. That being said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I actually made a video on Inuyasha only for me to finish the video and discover my microphone did not record everything I said. But because I just have to talk about this project, I had to do another video. If not for any reason, subscribe to my channel, because I made 2 videos particularly for this token so that you guys can make money. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video where I give you another premium content.